Yo, what's up guys, Takes back another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to, hack cast crashers. These cast crashers. Okay, so, there's not gonna be a face cam in this, but, I'll leave the link to this video right here, but you gotta go to this video and hit this one, download this, and once you download it, click on this, press yes, do all that stuff, and then go into cheat engine. I'm going to have to exit the game first. So keep Cast Crashers windowed and go into local game. See, he's like level 78. That's what I hear. Hold on. Game mass. Okay, so he's level 78, 24, 8. He's level 99 because I'm gonna up this blue guy. There's a bug flying around, it's annoying. Sorry if you hear so much noise. Okay, you want to skip this. You can skip it like this. Okay, so now once you've got that, you want to go and hit an enemy a few times. I mean, just hit this enemy about a couple of times, like this normally. Then, once you've done that, just exit to the map. Now go into your stats. You have 11. Now this is where cheat engine comes in. You're gonna want to go into cheat engine, and then your XP. You're gonna type in 11, then do first scan. See how it has all of these? You're gonna want to go back to Cast Crashers. You might have to repeat that process maybe 2 or 3 times, but it's gonna go down here. Hit this guy a few more times. Now we're gonna exit back to the map and go into our stats. Now we have 26, so put 26 in, press next scan. Now I need to delete this record. Okay, now you're gonna double click on both of these. Going back here, press Ctrl-A, then right click, do change record and value, and see how my XP is 26. You're gonna want to go here and this one. So if you want to be 11368133681. Okay, so it's gonna want to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now press OK. Now go back into Cast Crashers. It's still gonna be 26. Then press stats. Then you have it back. Then once you have that done, you're just gonna want to hit enemies. Hit some enemies a lot, because every time you hit an enemy, you level up. So you're gonna want to keep doing this until you're the level you want. If you want to be level 30 or some other one. And just keep doing this to keep leveling up. And I'm already level 49, so that bursted me up. Still got a lot of XP to go. Just keep going. Now this is the part where you actually like level up quicker, because there's a lot of people. And I am level 99. And there you go. Just exit to map. And just level up anything you want. I still have a lot of XP because I did over the amount. Just keep going. Just press A and there you go. You're gonna get a lot of new magic. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you later.